I guess right now the biggest difference in my life is the fact that I'm so comfortable with my mouth again, that I can chew. And that sounds like it's a minimal thing, but it isn't to somebody who's lived with the problems. And I think there's a lot of us around who have had dental problems and they're not comfortable.
It was a very positive experience for me. And just to being relaxed and being able to leave there and not remember anything went on, not having a trauma the day after, the day before, whatever it was. It's just the trauma-free.
An unexpected result of the surgery was I just felt younger. I just felt great. I had teeth in my mouth again, and they weren't false teeth. They were real teeth.
Because I have a very busy schedule, and I travel a lot, all internationally, both domestically and internationally, it's enabled me to fit this into my schedule and not suffer.
I think the best thing was not having apprehension.
And waking up the next day and really, like I didn't go to the dentist at all.
I just think everything for me was definitely a positive, and I came out of it feeling very positive, which I think shows in the healing and the recuperation process. I have now my temporary teeth, which I'm learning to use, and I'm able to eat foods I haven't been able to eat for close to a year. The weekend before my dental work, I was standing in the kitchen and a tooth just fell out. And that's how loose they were. And I mean, I couldn't even hardly chew a piece of bread. So you see how much I've accomplished in 5 weeks' time now, that I can sit and I can eat like normal people, if you will. I had never thought with this kind of work I would have felt the way I did. I felt as well as I did at the end of the day.
What it did was it allowed me to go to a dentist.
Now, when you're in a dentist chair, as nice as the dentist can be, but he's coming toward you with all these things, you definitely tense up. I mean, I think it's a normal reaction to tense up to that kind of thing. And there wasn't anything like that. So that on the other side, when you start to wake up, when you start to talk, when you start to eat, it's a very nice, calm feeling that you have. When I actually got into the chair, I felt totally comfortable that I was not going to have any problem at all because of everything that had been told to me ahead of time. I had, for being with a brand new dentist that I had never had worked with before, I was totally comfortable.
Well, it takes all the fear out of dentistry. There's no reason to be fearful of what goes on. And I don't remember a thing that went on.
I took medication. Like I said, I sat in the chair, and that was it. I had no knowledge. I wake up the next morning. I don't have any pain. I don't have any memory. I don't remember a thing. Because I can't even sit and... He went back for a small checkup. I was in the room next to him doing a cleaning to somebody. They had to give me headphones just for me to wait, listening to the drill. So it's all that, it's painless and it's memory-free.
Just a complete sense of being very calm and at peace. And I knew he was going to do the right thing. And I just wasn't going to fight it and just go with it. I'm very, very, very happy with the atmosphere. And to go to a dentist and say you're happy, I guess that's a pretty good positive today.
You know, they were very honest with me. I felt comfortable in the fact that they weren't going to do anything I didn't want to be done. And it was pain-free, memory-free is the best thing.
In fact, I spoke to the doctor the next morning, and I said to him that day, with all that you did in my mouth yesterday, all the cutting and snipping and building and whatever all you did, my mouth feels better today than it did when I had the teeth in.
I mean, it can restore your mouth the way you were when you were younger.
I mean, I didn't like smiling as much before. I kind of like when I smiled, it looked slanted.
But now?
But now it's beautiful. I love my smile now.